For the Pro phones, there's actually an extra layer of interesting though, because they've switched that rail material, the part that you actually touch on the outside, from shiny stainless steel to brushed titanium. So first of all, on the Pro, the bezels are technically a little bit thinner, which makes the bias a little smaller, but you really don't notice that much after a few minutes. What you do notice more actually visually is this autofocus car channel video with this phone, so you already know you can go subscribe over there to see how the video looks, to hear out of a dark room, bring it out at night, shoot with some lights. No, it didn't fix it, unfortunately. I'm sure the coding does some other great stuff during the daytime.